This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Disable power saving or ambient sensors so the TV won't auto-dim. Once done, switch to the actual input you'll use and pause on a bright reference image. You want to raise backlight first to boost overall luminance, then increment brightness to reveal shadow detail. Make modest changes, then wait 10-15 seconds to let the panel stabilize. Make sure picture mode is not on a low power preset. Choose standard or movie as your baseline. Now refine tone and clarity. You raise contrast carefully so whites pop without losing detail. Test with a bright HDR scene if available. Then configure local dimming. If aggressive, reduce it. Set dynamic contrast to low or off to prevent flicker. Once those are stable, tweak gamma and color temperature so whites look natural. Make sure motion or noise reduction is off for brightness accuracy. If using an external device or HDR, verify the HDMI signal format matches the TV's optimal input. Finish by saving your custom picture profile and letting the set warm up for 10 to 15 minutes. Panels brighten slightly as they stabilize. If you want precision, use a colorimeter or calibration pattern to lock in values, otherwise keep small incremental tweaks. Update the TV firmware and confirm HDMI Deep Color/HDR pass-through is enabled for sources that support it. If the image remains too dim, reset picture settings. Try a different input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.